guys, Shamiiir here, and welcome back to another episode of Slim Thick Thursday. Now this Thursday, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of my favorite smoothie recipes. These are all smoothies that I drink to help me with my weight gain, to help me maintain weight. One of them that I drink simply because of the health benefits, and then another that I drink because I enjoy drinking it and it makes me feel good. So the first smoothie we're going to be starting off with today is I'm actually going to be making with the TEAMI Superfood blend. This is a blend of all green superfoods, and the reason why I like this blend so much is because instead of me having to add like broccoli or spinach or any other green vegetables that I want to have in my smoothie, I can get all of those servings of vegetables with just 1 scoop of the TEAMI Superfood blend. I have been adding this blend to my smoothies in the morning. So this is a smoothie that I've been drinking most mornings. I don't really use it as a meal replacement. I just use it kind of as a pick-me-up in the morning, like first thing in the morning when I wake up. We'll leave my discount code here on the screen for you guys, or either down in the description box if you guys do decide to try the TEAMI Super Blend, so that you guys can just save a bit of money on your purchase. So I'm going to show you guys now how I make this delicious smoothie. I kind of like the icy kind of texture that frozen fruits give to my smoothies, so I always start off with frozen fruit. And for this smoothie, we're going to use mangoes. And I didn't measure this or anything, you guys, just use as much as you would like. We're gonna add in some strawberries as well. And of course, we're gonna add in a scoop of our green superfood. And all you need for this smoothie, you guys, is just 1 scoop. And we're also gonna use half of a banana. And last but not least, just a bit of water. You can use milk if you like. I know a lot of people add like almond milk and things to their smoothies. I'm not a huge fan of any type of milk, so I only add water to my smoothie. And just add the amount that you like. If you want your smoothie to be more on the thicker side, of course you'll use less water. Now we're going to just blend everything together. Okay, and there we have it. Our smoothie is all blended together, and now I'm going to just pour this into my TEAMI tumbler. And this is our Superfood Smoothie. I love drinking this first thing in the morning. As I mentioned before, it's just something really good and really healthy to have first thing in the morning. It's a bit of a pick-me-up, and in the mornings I do not like eating or drinking anything too heavy before I go to the gym, so this is actually perfect for me. I love knowing that I have 16 superfood ingredients just in this, just in 1 scoop, you guys. 1 scoop, you get all of the nutrients you need, and a lot of people actually don't even eat enough greens in a day. So knowing that I'm getting everything I need in just 1 scoop of the superfood, that's enough for me. So as I said before, I will leave my discount code down below for you guys so that you can save some money when you shop with TEAMI. You guys, so now for smoothie number 2. You guys know this is not a Slim Thick Thursday. And it for sure would not be a Slim Thick Thursday smoothie video if I did not show you guys my Slim Thick smoothie. So for the Slim Thick smoothie, what you will need is a protein powder, of course. So for me, when I'm actually trying to put on weight, I will typically use a whey protein. Right now, I'm not really trying to put on too much weight, so I'm sticking with my Orgain plant-based vegan protein powder. So this is what I'm using right now. I've been using this for the past few months. Now, if you're really trying to put on weight right now, I do recommend that you guys do look into trying out a whey protein, unless you're vegan, you know, and you just don't want to try whey at all. But if you do not mind, then go out and get you a whey protein powder. So for this smoothie, we're going to start off with spinach. And I usually use a lot of spinach in my smoothie, but use as much as you like. So we're starting off with spinach. We're going to add in some berries. My berries never even go in the cup. And I've actually gotten a few DMs from you guys in the past regarding this smoothie. A lot of people said they actually didn't like the smoothie, and when I asked you guys what did you put in the smoothie, a lot of you told me you tried like pineapples and mangoes and like a lot of exotic fruits. What I want to tell you guys is anytime you're making a smoothie with any type of protein powder, especially if it's like chocolate or any kind of those crazy flavors like that, you want to stick with berries. Berries just taste much better with any type of protein, and this one is vanilla flavored. But yeah, you want to just stick with berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, any kind of those berries. You want to put those in your protein powder. If you try a protein powder with, say, mangoes or pineapples, it's going to taste gross, you guys. I'm just trying to make this taste as best for you guys, because I know a lot of people actually don't even like protein powder, and it took me a while to just test out a few different recipes and different fruits and things to put in my to actually put into my smoothies to make them taste good to me. And I know for a fact this recipe here tastes really delicious, so I just want to tell you guys, try not to put any other type of fruits except for berries in this particular smoothie. So we put our berries in there, so we're going to use a whole banana for this smoothie. This is a slim thick smoothie, you guys, so we're trying to get those gains, we're trying to gain tang, so we want to add as much as we can. The goal with this particular smoothie is we're trying to get in as many calories as possible. So we're going to add a scoop and a half of protein powder. I'm going to add the rest of our berries. The rest of our banana. Chia seeds. Some water. And again, if you want to use any type of milk, you can use milk. I'm going to add water to mine. And milk will make it taste a bit more creamier and more as a shake rather than a smoothie. And then last but not least, we're going to add in a scoop of peanut butter. Now you don't have to add peanut butter, but I do like to add peanut butter to my slim thick smoothie because I want the extra gains. Okay, you guys, so we have this smoothie all blended up now. We're going to just pour it into our glass and enjoy. You can also drink this smoothie as a meal replacement. If you're on the go or you just don't have time to eat a full meal, this is a great way to still take in enough calories even though you're not eating a full meal. This will usually be my post-workout smoothie as well. So this is what I drink every single day after I work out. And there you have it. That's our slim thick smoothie. Feel free to add or take away from the smoothie as you like. And just remember that one tip that I did give you guys. Try not to use any other fruits with a protein smoothie. Anything other than berries, it just won't taste as good. I'm gonna just put it that way, put it plain and simple. It just will not taste as good. And if you do just want to try and get those extra gains in with your protein smoothie, try adding milk to it or even oats. You guys saw that I did add peanut butter to my slim thick smoothie, but just play around with the smoothie until you get it to taste the way you'd like for it to taste. But I hope you guys did enjoy this recipe for my slim thick smoothie. It's literally one of my favorite recipes, and I've been drinking this smoothie for going on 3 years now. So try this recipe out and let me know how you guys like it. Let's get on to our next smoothie recipe. So right now we're going to be making an acai smoothie with a bit of a twist. I'm going to show you guys what I like to add to my acai smoothies. I did purchase this acai packet from Trader Joe's. This is their unsweetened organic acai puree packets. And this is a pack of 4. So I did buy these from Trader Joe's. I usually just find them wherever, but I was able to find them at Trader Joe's. The cool thing about these packets though is that you can also make an acai bowl, which I love to make as well. But today we're going to be making a smoothie because this is a smoothie video. We're going to squeeze this in here. So that is our acai. And on the packet that the acai comes in, it also gives you directions on how to make your acai smoothie or bowl. I do follow those directions to a certain extent. It does say to add apple juice or milk. I don't have apple juice right now, so I'm going to add just a bit of cranberry juice, which I've tried out before, so I know that it doesn't taste bad with the cranberry juice. I'm going to add my berries in here. Of course, we're gonna add some chia seeds as well. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we're gonna add 1 cube of ginger. And I found these ginger cubes at Trader Joe's. I love these things. I've been buying them forever. It just makes it much easier, and I don't use ginger like a lot, so it's just easier for me to have these and be able to throw them in the freezer and they're still like there. And this smoothie is more of a like pick-me-up type of smoothie for me. It's something that you want to sip like on a hot day, something very refreshing and something very light. And anything with ginger in it to me just feels so freaking refreshing, and it just kind of wakes me up. Like, this is something I would like to sit out in the sun and drink on a nice hot day, sit next to the pool and sip on it. Like, it's very refreshing and very, I don't know, it just makes me feel very good. So yeah, I'm gonna add just a bit more of cranberry juice in here, literally just a splash. And then we're gonna get to blending this. And it smells amazing. And I promise you guys, you don't even taste the apple cider vinegar or smell it in this smoothie. Like, this smoothie is so freaking good and just so refreshing. I know a lot of people have a hard time even being able to stomach the smell of apple cider vinegar, but I promise you, you don't even smell it in this smoothie and you do not taste it whatsoever. So freaking good. Okay, you guys, so that sums up 3 of my favorite smoothies that I do like to drink throughout the week. I hope you guys do give these smoothies a try and let me know if you do like them. And again, feel free to tweak them however you feel. Add to them whatever you like. If you're trying out the Slim Thick smoothie, just be sure that you are putting in enough ingredients in there to try and hit your calorie goal for the day. For the acai smoothie, have fun with it. It's just that, I mean, for me, it's literally just a refreshing, like, pick-me-up. Something to just make me feel good throughout the day. It's literally just a healthier version of like your typical smoothie. And adding the apple cider vinegar and the ginger in there just makes it even more healthy for you. And for the TEAMI Green Super Blend, make sure you guys do check out their website. If you are interested in trying out the Green Superfood Blend, I promise you guys will like it. And you guys know I will leave the discount code for that down below as well. And be sure to tag me on Instagram if you do try out any of these 3 smoothies. And as always, I will see you guys in next week's episode of Slim Thick Thursday.